Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 23 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for Beginners. So today we're going to look at the Marichyasana family. We've got 4 different variations, so let's get going. So come to a comfortable base. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Take a few moments to feel grounded. And we'll begin as always with the opening chant. So take a breath. Om Vande Gurunam Charana Rabinde Samdash Satsva Sapara Bote Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hara Hara Moha Shantye Babahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasra Shvrasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. Coming to Samasthiti, we'll do 1A and 1B. You can do this from seated or an all-pose position. Ekam, inhale, lift. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatvara, exhale, Chaturanga, lower. Pancha, inhale. Back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog or child. 1. Take a few moments, maybe lift and lower the heels. 2. Easing in, assess the situation. 3. Take any of those methods we've been working with. 4. Ujjayi breath, establish your dristi, and 5. Look forward. Sukta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samasthiti, Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back, remember your options. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lower it. Inhale to lift. Drop the shoulders. Exhale to dog. Right leg, plant the left heel. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. And we can bring your knees down. Inhale to lift. Roll the shoulders back. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Keep breathing. Inhale, left leg, palms touch, square the hips. Exhale, all the way down. Do really well. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1, so regulate the breath. 2, bring the knees down if you need to. 3, relax the back of the neck. 4 and 5. Look forwards. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. So we're coming to Marichyasana. Inhale to lift. We'll take a vinyasa to get there. Exhale to fold. You might do a seated vinyasa. 5. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering, elbows in. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. So then look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated. And stretch the legs out as you come to Marichyasana A options. So from here, bending in the right knee, you can be anywhere on this trajectory. Sit nice and tall. You might just take the shin and stay here. 1, find your breath. Another option is to take the left hand back and the right hand between both of the legs. 2. Now do make sure there is a handspan distance between those legs. As you push back, that kind of propels you forward. Good. 3, and then hug the inner knee in. Don't allow it to splay out. Instead, shift the foot out to the side if you need to. You may feel you can get low enough to begin to wrap the right arm around the right shin. 4, you might stay there. You might be able to take hold of the hands, a bind at the right hip. Maybe take the wrist and then continue to fold forwards. 5. So your drishti is either the big toe, if you're somewhere up here, or forehead towards shin, if this is really easy for you. Inhale to lift. If you have the bind, you keep that. And then exhale, release. And we take a vinyasa. Remember your options. Cross at the ankles. You can stay seated. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Try and keep alternating the legs as you come through. Marichyasana A to the left side. Same again. 1. So I want you to remember your options here. You can stay up here. 2, stay happy. Just really work on lengthening. Good. Lift through the crown of the head. 3, you can work on getting extension. Check your distance to the knee. 4, you can begin to work towards the bind. That might take many years. That's okay. And 5, inhale, look up. Exhale, release. And take your vinyasa, however is best. Take the legs, step or jump back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Stretch the legs out. We've got Marichyasana B. So we're doing the beginner's version here. So you tuck the left heel behind the right heel. So this actually is your half lotus position. Normally this would be done from a half lotus. If you've got that in your practice, feel free. But this is a beginner's class. 1, same options. 2, settle into your breath. I'm just demonstrating the options you might take here. Same thing. 3. Check your knee position. Good. 4. You can easily get your bind. You might begin to fold forwards as you take the hands back. 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa. I'm doing seated. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Stretch out the legs. Marichyasana B to the left side. Tucking the right heel behind. Entering. 1. And remember your options. 2. Really use your ujjayi breath and your bandhas. 3. These help you eventually to begin to fold forwards. 4. Eventually the forehead touches down. Don't worry if you're nowhere near that, it's okay. 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa, however suits you best. Lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Marichyasana C to the right side. Entering. 1. So again, we bend the knee in. This time we're moving to the right side. 2. So you might do a scoop through. Just scoop the shin and go into your twist that way. Get lots of space in this version. It's my favorite. 3. If that's really easy, you might take the elbow over and just begin to use a little bit of traction to get into your twist. If that's easy. 4, you do a reverse bind. Now you can see what's happening with my shoulder. You need to be able to draw your shoulder down and then look over the right shoulder. If this is happening, you come back. That's it, stay happy. 5, inhale, look forwards. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa, seated or step or jump back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Marichyasana C to the left side. Entering. 1, left knee bends, active right toes. Got the scoop through. 2. Good, you can look straight ahead or over the shoulder, see what's doable. 3. Remember your options here with the positioning. Maybe the bind, maybe not. That's it, not for me today. 4. Remember, the main thing is the breathing. Anything that restricts that, no longer yoga. 5. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa, seated or step or jump back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. We have Marichyasana D, the pretzel one. So, tucking the left heel behind, same as before. Entering. 1. So again, you have this option. Hand onto shin, forearm onto shin. 2. Really sit tall to facilitate the twist. Draw your lower abdominals in. Ujjayi breath. 3. You have the same options here. You can take the elbow over. You can begin to bind. 4. We're also in what's called the vinyasa storm. In this part of seated sequence, the vinyasas seem endless. 5, which is why it's good to have options, right? Inhale, look forwards, exhale, release. Take your vinyasa. I'm doing seated. Step back, lower the body. Good. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Marichyasana D to the left side. So tuck the right heel behind the left. Entering. 1. Again, show you the options. 2. Really work into that twist, the deep abdominals and the pelvis. 3. Lift through the crown of the head. Good. 4. And 5. Look forwards. Exhale. Release. Take your vinyasa. Step in or jump in or seated. Inhale to lift. Hope you're starting to feel some fire. Exhale to dog. Getting nice and hot. Inhale, come through. We have the final 3 lotuses. We made it. So remember your options. Baddha Padmasana, arms behind the back. No lotus, half lotus or full lotus. Inhale to lift. Exhale, folding. 1. Now Sagradristi. 2. Back the neck long. Begin to regulate, slow things down. 3. Remember this posture also known as Yoga Mudra. We're sealing the energy we've created. 4. Begin to really integrate the practice. 5. These final 3 come at the end of finishing sequence. 6. So this is our final piece of bread in the sandwich. 7. Regulate the breath. Keep the eyes open. 8. Take this forward bench to wherever feels best. Up here is fine. 9. There's no enlightenment on the floor. I'm going to show you that. 10. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Padmasana. Straight lines of energy. Inhale, lift, squeeze. Mula Bandha. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. Keep the back nice and long. 2. Breath with sound. 3. 4. Relax the face. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utplutihi. Inhale, exhale, entering. 1. Remember your options. 2. Strong breathing. 3. Pull up the body. 4. Doing really well. Stay strong. 5. You go down, then come back up. 6. Tinker with lifting the feet. Maybe not. 7. Nearly there. Stay strong. 8, keep looking forward, don't look down. 9, push out of the shoulders, push out of the pelvis. 10, exhale, release, well done. Ease out the wrist, we've got the final vinyasa to freedom. And step back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And then make your way all the way down to a well-deserved Shavasana. As you arrive, floppy ankles, open palms. Take an inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Thinking, surrendering, dropping down into the quieter places, absorbing the practice for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, be my guest. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Moving fingers and toes and the head from side to side. And then take an inhale, full body stretch. Big exhale. Bending at the elbows and knees, squeezing the knees in. And then rolling over to one side, pause for a moment. Drop the bones heavy into the floor. And then leave yourself carefully up. So comfortable seated, sitting tall, bring the hands to the heart space, lengthen the spine. Take an inhale. Exhale, gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale, lift the prayer hands up. And exhale to center, namaste. So well done for getting through the Marichyasana. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hit the like button, subscribe, and take care.